So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just playing with this dinosaur toy. Oh, I sure do love dinosaurs. Do you like dinosaurs? Yeah, they are so cool. Yeah, and it's so cool how all of them look so different from each other. Yeah, whoa. Yeah, dinosaurs used to roam our planet. You know how we know that? Yeah, because people have found fossils. Yeah, fossils of dinosaurs. Isn't that cool? Yeah, fossils are remains from plants and animals and dinosaurs from such a long time ago. Well, I love dinosaurs. You and I are gonna learn about dinosaurs and maybe we'll find some fossils in this video. Whoa, check it out. Yeah, I have a pail full of sand. Yeah, I found all this sand outside. I think we should use some of our tools to see what's inside the sand and maybe we'll find a fossil. Yeah, okay, the tools that we have here are a magnifying glass. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, that'll help us look at things nice and up close. Ooh, nice little pick. Yeah, pick and a miniature shovel, so then we can shovel up some of the sand. Ooh, and then check this out. Whoa, it's a brush. Yep, so then we can be nice and delicate. We definitely don't want to break up the fossils. All right, let's see, what do we have here? Yeah, bunch of sand. So I think we should take our shovel, our little pick, and then do some picking. Okay. Yeah, we need to break it up. Perfect. Yep, now that we're getting it nice and loose. Oh, yeah, I think I might see something. Oh, do you see that? Oh, yeah, I think we found a fossil. Yeah, it's the color gray. Huh, interesting. Whoa, look. Yeah, archaeologists love to do this. Yeah, they're the ones that uncover a lot of fossils. Maybe you'll be an archaeologist someday. Whoa! Check it out! Yeah, we found all these fossils. And then look, right here. Yeah, here's one more. Wow. Need to brush it off. Whoa, check it out. Yeah, it looks like some teeth. Maybe the lower jaw. Whoa, that is so cool. Okay, let me empty this. Have to stay nice and clean and organized. Okay, now let's inspect some of these fossils. Whoa, this one is so cool. This one might even be an insect fossil or something, I don't know. Maybe it's some form of type of dinosaur. I don't know. This could be any part of the dinosaur, but I don't even know. But I know what this is. Yeah! Whoa! This for sure is a fossil. That looks like a rib cage. Do you see it? Yeah! That's a rib cage to a really small dinosaur. Yeah! That's the rib cage. Then the whole dinosaur must have only been about this big. Whoa! Hello! Hey! Okay, what else do we have here? Whoa. Huh, interesting. This one kind of looks like a rock. Who knows? Whoa, look at this. This looks like an underwater type of dinosaur. Yeah, it's so smooth and shiny. Huh, kind of looks like a shell of some sort. I don't know. Wow, this has been so much fun digging for fossils. Yeah. Whoa, maybe next time you go outside and you find some dirt, yeah, and you have the correct tools, maybe you can dig and maybe you'll find a fossil. Whoa! Pretty cool! Whoa! Whoa! I sure do love digging and brushing for fossils. Whoa! Yeah, I love dinosaurs. Do you like dinosaurs? Yeah, they are so cool. Whoa, check out all these dinosaurs. Whoa! Hey, check it out. Do you know what dinosaur this is? Yeah, this looks like a T-rex. Yeah, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Whoa, what a scary dinosaur. Yeah, this dinosaur eats meat. Yeah, other dinosaurs. Yeah, that is actually called a carnivore. Yeah, if you are a carnivore, you eat meat. Yeah, and a T-rex is definitely a carnivore because it has really sharp, big teeth. Whoa, check this one out. This is a Brontosaurus. Whoa, what a cute dinosaur. Whoa, look at its long neck. Whoa, its long neck is really good to reach to the top of the tree canopies. And eat a lot of leaves. Yeah, the Brontosaurus is an herbivore. Yeah, if you're a dinosaur and you only eat plants, then you would be an herbivore. Yeah, like a Brontosaurus. T-rex, carnivore, Brontosaurus, herbivore. Whoa! Well, hey, I think we should listen to the Dinosaur Song. Yeah!
A long time ago on this planet Earth, before we ever existed, another kind of creature ruled the land, and this is a song for them. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, oh, I love dinosaurs, 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 prehistoric dinosaurs. Stegosauruses were bigger than elephants, but their brains were the size of a peppermint. Triceratops had 3 horns on their head in case they ever needed to defend. The Brachiosaurus had a really long neck, and at the end was a itty-bitty head. Pterodactyls would soar through the sky. Their wings were enormous in size, and if they stood up straight on the ground, they would be as tall as a giraffe. Dinosaur, dinosaur, oh, I love dinosaurs. Raptors were smart and fast, and like wolves they would hunt in packs. The Elasmosaurus was the king of the deep. He'd swim around in the sea. The Ankylosaurus had a tail like a hammer and a body that was built like a tank. And the Spinosaurus had a spine like a sail, and they looked quite a bit like a crocodile. Oh boy, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the king of the dinosaurs. They'd roam the land on their big back legs and let out a mighty roar. They were large and fierce, and they only ate meat. They had the biggest, sharpest teeth, but little tiny arms are always just kinda hanging there off of my body. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, oh, I love dinosaurs, 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 prehistoric dinosaurs.
Dinosaur Song awesome? Yeah, I love dinosaurs and I love dancing. Didn't that song just make you want to dance? Hey, I have an idea. Why don't you and I pick a dinosaur and let's dance like it? Woohoo! Okay, what dinosaur? Oh, yeah. How about a T-rex? Yeah, okay, I'll teach you how to dance like a T-rex. First, you have to put your hands out right here, and they don't have very long arms. So, you just act like you have some claws. Woo! And then, you give it a big roar. Okay, hit that music.
Dinosaur, dinosaur, oh wow. Dinosaur, 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 prehistoric dinosaur.
Wow, that was so much fun. Dancing like a dinosaur with you. And learning about dinosaurs with you in this video. But this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!